welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and today I have a haul for you. So I have been shopping for my birthday. My birthday is March 2nd, so it just passed, and I was shopping all of February. You should have already seen a haul go up for my Amazon haul. So the hauls that you see coming in March will all be from my shopping in February. So this haul will be from Burlington, and I have quite a few items, so we're gonna kind of go over everything that I got from Burlington. I will share with you the prices on everything, and make sure you check out Burlington. Not everything I got from Burlington I don't think is going to be like a name brand that you'll recognize, but it's just makeup that I plan to try. So the first item is this Profusion Mixed Metals. Okay, so it came with this eyeshadow palette. This is the Peach collection, and then it also came with this metal lip cream and a lip pencil. So we'll go ahead and swatch this metal lip cream. Looks like that. It's definitely metallic, and then the lip pencil. Ooh, the lip pencil's really nice. Okay, so it looks like this. So if you happen to see it, check it out. It's Mixed Metals Peach. And it looks like a really good palette. Let me just go ahead and swatch this color and this color so we can check out what the pigment is like. Profusion's a good brand though, so that's what it looks like. You can build it up. I have other palettes from Profusion and they work really well for me. So this is a soft, this one's called Ecstatic, and it's more like a soft peach right here, and then this color is called Outspoken. So that's the first item that I have. See, the next item I got is also from the Mixed Metals collection, and it's nude. Okay, the other one, I didn't see a brush come out of that one, but there was a brush in this one. I probably flipped the brush somewhere when I was opening it. Here's the lip pencil that came in that one. Let me go ahead and just swatch it here. Okay, this is a nice color. And then it also came with another metal lipstick. And looks like that. And then let's check out what this palette is looking like. This is the palette. So we'll go ahead and swatch. This color is called Amber, and then Mic Drop. Those are really nice colors. I can't wait to use these actually. So that's number 2. So we have the Mixed Metals with Peach, Mixed Metals with Nude. They both came with a lip cream and a lip pencil and a lip brush. I forgot to tell you how much they cost. Okay, so both palettes cost $6.99. You have to check out your Burlington. It's not guaranteed that you're going to see these same items at your Burlington. All right, I got this City Color palette. This was $5.99, and she looks like this. So very nice. Let's see, let's swatch Mimosa, and we're going to swatch, okay, that's what it's called, okay, so that's Mimosa. Ooh, very pretty. And this is okay. I know it's okay because it has like Y. All right, it has that extra Y's on the end. So again, that palette was $5.99. The pigment's really good. So on those two that I swatched, so that looks nice. That might be a fun like sunset looking palette to use. All right, then I got this Color Central Cherry Bloom. What is this? Blush. Okay, and this was $2.99. Let me take it out the package. Look how pretty that is. You can't really see it, but $2.99. Ooh. Okay, let's swatch that. That is so pretty. You know, you can also use that on your eyes too. So I may be using that on my eyes. This is super, super pretty. All right, and then I have this Milani Summer Glow Strobe Light Highlighter for $2.99. This, of course, is at like CVS, Walgreens, drugstores, but not for $2.99. So let's go ahead. Oof. See? That is pretty. I already have some highlighter on. Just add that to my nose. I found this Model in a Bottle makeup setting spray, and this was $9.99. I don't know where I've heard about this, but I've heard about it somewhere, and I think I heard it was supposed to be good. So I just did my makeup, and I did put setting spray, but okay, first of all, this kind of stung a little bit when I put it on. Is there alcohol in this? I don't know, but there was definitely a stinging sensation when I put it on, but maybe that means like it's gonna work and my makeup's not gonna move, so we'll see. But that was $9.99. All right, then I got this, what is this? La Flare 3D Cashmere Lashes. So it was 5 lashes, 5 sets of lashes for $5.99. So that's what they look like. So I definitely need more lashes. Now remember I mentioned that not everything I've got on here or got from Burlington is a name brand. I got this Beauty Treats palette, and this was $5.99. I did another haul, I think that was from Ross a month or so ago, where I got palettes like these to try. So if you're on a budget, you're just starting out with makeup, you can try like one of these palettes and you just build up the color. So I'll go ahead and swatch some. Okay, so they're chalky and they there's definitely like fallout and stuff, so there's some pigment there. You're just gonna have to work with it being a little bit, you know, chalky and have some fallout, but I don't mind fallout. So when you're just starting, it shouldn't be that big of a deal either. You want to start getting things that are going to be affordable for you to kind of practice with and try with before you start really spending your money on the high-end stuff or just even drugstore. Play with these a little bit. All right, the next item I got was this Salt and Pepper Very Necessary Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette for $6.99. And I got it because it was salt and pepper. Hello? Okay? You know, I don't know how people be stealing the makeup out of like Burlington, all this, because I'm having trouble getting this stuff out of the packaging. All right, so I already told you this palette was $6.99. These are the colors in the palette. Looks like a CD. I don't know if you guys remember CDs. Are you guys still using CDs out there? Okay, so let me swatch this purple, this blue, and this gold. Okay. Oh my God, these are so pretty. Look. Okay. Gorgeous. So again, now it's from Burlington, $6.99. Got a lot of palettes. Okay, the next palette I have is this Color Central face palette, and this was $4.99. Okay, this palette looks like this. So it's supposed to have blush, bronzer, and highlighter in here. This is probably the bronzer. These might not work as bronzers for me, but I'm gonna try to make them work and see what I can do. We'll test out. Now the other City Colors one was nice. So that's what those colors look like. Let me swatch this one that's like the bronzer. It's like right here. That blends in. So like a nice, that might work if I was trying to do like a very soft look. But nobody does soft around here. Not that often. Okay, so $4.99 for this face palette. Alright, and then I got this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Glowing Palette 2. This was $4.99. Looks like that. Okay, everything I have here is like sealed. And I'm having like trouble opening. So none of it was like already pre-swatched. Doesn't look like anything has been touched by anybody else. It has like the sticker seals on them that I'm pulling off. Okay, so this is this palette. Let's go ahead and swatch this color and this color. And I'll do that bright yellow color there. So I'm the first one swatching because I just dug my fingers in them. All right. This is really nice. Like, look how bright that yellow is. How much was this? $4.99. You know what? I have an inner corner highlight on, but I like this bright yellow here. Oh, okay, wait. This brush is like too hard for this palette. Let me try this one because it dug in there. Okay, I'm just patting that back in so because I messed it up. You guys see that? All right. So this is a good buy. Not like a good buy, but it was a good deal. All right, and then I got this Glow Gleam Beam by e.l.f. It's a highlighting palette. It says it's the light one. How much was this? This was $4.99. I don't know if I've seen this in the drugstores anymore. So, okay, I already see what color I want to dig into. I want to dig into this color here because it's like a white shimmer. Let's put that there. Oh, you can barely see that, but it's like, let me build it up. It's glitter, basically. And let's swatch like these. Now this is a highlighting palette, so it's not showing up that bright, but it was $4.99. Yeah, so that's okay. All right, and then I got this Milani Celestial highlighter palette. This was $4.99. This looks really nice. Again, this is all taped and sealed, so we'll go ahead and swatch all three because there's only 3 here. Ooh, this is like, it's wet. This is like, what is this, a cream highlighter? Yeah. Okay, so it looks like that. This is definitely cream and it's wet. Then I have this e.l.f. multi-dimensional face and body shimmer. This was $3.99. And let's see what color this is. This is, okay, the color is Luna, because I got 2. So this one is Luna. Pretty. And then I got this color, which is called Soul. Okay, and Soul looks like that. All right, and these are highlighters. So these are nice, soft, not too bold if you're hesitant about going bold, and they were $3.99. Then I have this BH Cosmetics Solar Flare palette. It's 18 color baked eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna swatch this Wavelength color, which is a yellow, Fireball, which is an orange, and then what other color? I'm gonna swatch Burst, which is like a pinky color. Right, that's nice. And this was, how much was this? $8.99. Okay, and they're still selling, I'm pretty sure they're still selling this one on the BH Cosmetics website, if I'm not mistaken. And they might even have it at Ulta. No, last time I went to Ulta, actually they didn't have much BH Cosmetics in there. But check Burlington. I know that I've seen it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, like they all carry kind of the same items, so just check everywhere. The next item I got is this purse. So cute. Bling bling. And where's the price tag on this? Oh, here it is. I got this for $9.99. So it looks like this. It has a chain. Very, very pretty. And it has like the sparkles are kind of, you can't see it. Oh, there you go. It's like pink and blue. So that's one of the items that I got. We're down to the last 2 items that I bought, which are shoes. So one of them is just these shoes. I just wanted some soft pink, mauve, rose colored shoes, whatever color this is. And I'm a size 8. And this is the brand Soda. And I got these for $14.99. So, very comfortable shoes. Let me see, do these match? I guess you can wear it with that. I would. Okay. And then lastly, I got these Guess shoes because they were like gold and brown. They look like this, and they were $29.99. So this is them, and of course size 8. These are wedges, so they're gonna give me a bit of a heel. Very cute. I feel like I might want to wear these today. I don't know, we'll see based on whatever jacket I'm wearing. All right, that's it for my Burlington haul. If you've stuck around this long, leave down in the comments the item that you were most interested in that I purchased and showed you on this video. Make sure that you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more hauls, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more future videos. Thanks for watching.